Friends, welcome back to our channel Archi Data Labs. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to continue our existing Python language where we are going to learn a new topic. It's one of the important data type that we are going to discuss today, dictionaries. So in my previous videos I have covered a couple of things like how to define list, how to define tuples, and the third one is dictionaries. And there is one more thing called we have to see, that is sets. So these four are very important when it comes to Python programming language learning. This will be definitely useful at the time of doing a mini project that we are going to do at the end of all our learning program. Right, without wasting time, let's go into the topic. Yes, what is dictionaries basically? So dictionaries are basically, as like list and tuples, it is just going to store the data. But how dictionaries is different from other two is it will store the values in terms of key and value. Let's say it will have a key in the sense a column name. Let's say for example name, and value is can be a Rajesh. So name is nothing but the key and value is nothing but the Rajesh. So key and value is always going to be defined when it comes to defining a dictionary. This will be pretty much useful at the time of reading the data when it comes to huge volume of data. Let's say like you are processing 1 terabytes of information using Spark or any other thing like any computation tool. This will be definitely helpful. So dictionary is a collection where it can be like couple of ordered can be do or can be changeable. You can add or remove it, or you can modify it as well. But one thing is it will not allow duplicates. So please ensure that you are not having any duplicates in when you are defining a dictionary. Alright, so this is a basic sample of how it can be. Let's say brand is nothing but the key and Ford is nothing but the value. Here we go. Now let's go into the practical session where we are going to see some demo. Let me create one new file here as we always do. Alright, so we have a new file here. So let me create some kind of marks. So always it goes with these curly braces. Okay, so please ensure that the curly braces is very important. Let's say Hindi. So let's try to add some marks here. Okay, so Hindi, English 75. Alright, let's add few more things. Science 45. Alright, I'm just closing these braces and just going to print. So let me see what it actually printing out. So as you know already, just right click and click the run button, it will just print it out. See, if you are able to define this within this curly braces with this key and with this value. Okay, so always left side is nothing but it is assigning a key name and value is assigning to a right variable, right? Alright, perfect. So now if you want to retrieve one value from among all these dictionary values, how should you do? Simple guys, print, have these marks, okay, and then use these brackets, okay, square brackets, and then type the name. Let's say Hindi. I want to get the value assigned to the variable called Hindi. That's it, you're getting this. So you're able to get this first print statement, the value is 60, and the second, the complete one, maybe I'll just comment it. So, and then let me try to take marks of, let's say we don't have any value like something like maths. Okay, so let's say what it is actually throwing it out. So now in this dictionary I have not declared anything called maths. So let's say what it is printing out. See, there is nothing here, right? So it is popping out an issue called key error maths. But there is a beautiful feature in dictionary. When you don't define a key value in the dictionary definition, even you don't get the error. So how you should do is simple. Instead of using the square brackets, just put dot and then use get method, and then inside just print that maths. Alright, so what we are going to do, simple, instead of using the square bracket as like this, we are just going to use the method called get. So now I'm going to use this, test this. See, the 60 is nothing but Hindi's marks and this none is nothing but the marks.get that we defined. Alright, so fantastic guys. So this method is very important. So if you don't want to get an error while executing the Python code, just proceed, right? So you can just simply use the method called get method. Now let's say I want to add few more topic. Let's say I want to add a maths, right? So how should I do? Marks, maths. equals to, so this is nothing but how to add marks, a new item to a existing dictionary, right? So now I'm going to print this. I will comment it out this. Alright, so now I have added a new key value with maths with value called 57. Let's say how to run it. See, you can able to have this added to your existing dictionary. Perfect. Let's say now I will copy paste. Let's try to have this duplicate 76. Let's say how it is actually taking down. See, it is taking the updated value here. So it is what it is actually trying to do. It is taking the latest value. So as I said before, it will not allow duplicate values. So here, as you expected, it can have two different values, with one with 57 and one with 76, but that's not the case. It will have only the updated value having the latest value, so which means it will not allow any duplicate values. Simple. Okay, now how should I delete? Simple guys, marks, let's say science. Okay, alright, so now how should I do? Simple, I will comment this. That's it. So now already we have defined science with 45 value. Now when the moment you do this del operation, del is nothing but to delete a key value from the dictionary definition. So science got deleted now. So now you have printed only Hindi, English and maths. That's it, right? So this is to add a particular key value to the existing dictionary, and this is to how to remove, okay, how to remove a particular key value from the existing dictionary. So as like list, this is very interesting. The only thing difference is it will assign in the form of key and value pair, so that it will be, the data can be read very faster. So all things that you can do, but one thing is it will not allow duplicate values. Alright, and one more thing, as I shown in this PPT, so I have given a star here. So even this is ordered. Why here I have given the star operation is till Python 3.6 version this is not ordered. Okay, when you try to download the latest version with 3.7 or anything after 3.7, this dictionaries will be ordered. So please ensure that if you are using the older version, which will not get ordered at all. Alright, so today we have come to end of the session. We have covered this dictionary topic, which is very important. We'll see you soon with sets, the next topic that we are going to discuss. Stay tuned guys. Thank you.